Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. It is me, the Millennial Investor, 1914. Holla at your boy. I want to make one more video before I go out and get my dog, because my dog, Maxine, I had to get her hair cut today. But my question to you, uh, to my subscribers, and to anybody that's watching my channel, are you prepared to retire? Uh, do you have a plan? Are you budgeting? Are you always buying? Always be buying. Are you buying? What are you buying? Do you have a goal? Uh, do you plan on retiring at age 65, 60, 55, 50, 45? Do you intend on retiring at all? Also, something to think about. If you do plan on retiring, is it through real estate? Is it through stocks? Do you have dividend growth stocks? Do you know how much you're going to be making from your real estate and your tenants and your different growth stocks on a yearly basis, on a monthly basis? Uh, how's those taxes looking, right? I'm asking all this is because I've been really staying really diligent in just how much people need, how much they say people need to retire. When you uh, when you ask questions and when you poll the American people, they say, and last year, the last couple of years, they said, well, you need about 1.5 million. Now the sentiment has went down to like 1.25. How do you plan on getting there? How do you plan on getting there? What are you buying? Are you buying a Nasdaq QQQ, QQQM? Are you buying SP 500 and you rocking with it and you putting set 250, 500, $750 a month into the SP 500 and just letting that ride? Are you buying small cap stocks or very risky stocks, Bitcoin, crypto, uh, XRP? What are you doing? Just these are the things that you have to think about as you want to plan out your life and financial freedom. And uh, it's all starts with budgeting, and it starts with basically a goal for yourself, right? Real quick, just don't want to bother you or bore you, but right here, what you see here is that I constantly have goals to myself. I constantly budget, right? Uh, I budget how much out of my money is going to come for this and the necessities, food, my uh, business for my millennial investor 1914, my LLC fees and that come right. Even not even that. Even just investing, I have goals. If I'm going to be contributing $2,000 per month, what is going to be on this month for the month of May? It's going to be in Morgan Stanley, Palantir, Amazon, Vu. Right. This past month, I spent close to $13,000, and I started a new position at AFG in Berkshire Hathaway. I I beefed up my position in Google and Comfort Systems and Amazon. I'm waiting for these stocks to go down so I could buy more. Right. Uh, I added to my Goldman Sachs for $650, and then we have VU, the S&P 500. But what you get a good taste for my brain is that I like to plan. I don't like to be surprised, right? I like to plan. I like to make sure that my money is being put to work effectively. That's how I think. So for yourself, if you're planning to retire, are you going to be selling all of your assets and live off that, or are you going to buy dividend growth stocks? Now we get into the video. Are you going to buy dividend growth stocks like Broadcom, SCHD with Dog, Aflac, Goldman Sachs, AbbVie, the American Financial Group? Are you going to have cash flow? Right. I've been really just I've been traveling a lot lately. I went to the Philippines a couple months ago. Uh, I went to the Panama before I started my job in April. Before that, I went to Colombia, and I travel a lot. I was in Brazil last May. Yeah, last May. I travel a lot. My passport is full of stamps, and I plan on want to live overseas, and it's gonna take me to at least $40,000 at least, and then I want it to be growing, right? So yes, I want my money into VU, the S&P 500, to grow and to be paying on a per month basis. But I also want dividend income. I want my dividend stocks to grow. Not only just pay a dividend, but I want the dividends to grow. Money bag. I need that money, and this is what we are here. My current portfolio. We're not even gonna talk about my other portfolios because I invest to more growth stocks. Yeah, with this portfolio, I have a dividend growth stocks that's going to grow. That's going to grow, and let's just to start out with the X variables, or the variables that we're going to change, and then we got the Y variables. So I have a $75,000 portfolio contributing roughly 12,500 per year. The dividend yield is at 1.4%. It's going to grow 10% with the share price roughly 18%, which is completely doable because my portfolio uh, last year alone did 28%, and that was before I added these growth stocks, right? So I have we're gonna do about 18-20% per year, which is definitely compounding every 3.5 years. So by me being at the age of 36 years old, let's see right here. See how the annual dividend increases, the portfolio increases, right? So in 10 years, that will put me at age 46 with a portfolio of 600,000 and annual dividends of 4,500. And 4 more years, that put me at 50 years old. That's the 49 to 50-year-old mark is pivotal for myself because that's when my portfolio and this portfolio alone, right here, real quick, this one right here is projected to hit $1 million. Well, roughly $1.2 million, and with that, I'm able to then shake some things up. What I mean by that is that VU, Google, Fix, Berkshire Hathaway, Amazon, Palantir, Meta, and TSM. That is over 15 to 20 years of compound growth. Growth. Then I can sell some of these low yielding stocks and put it into my high yielding stocks like AbbVie, SCHD, Kroger. And then also I would invest into other stocks like regional financials, which is a regional bank, Morgan Stanley, probably some oil and gas stocks, and I did probably some healthcare like Johnson Controls. Then I would really have a fully diversified portfolio that's growing at least 5 to 7%, and that's going to be paying me a growing dividend. So that's the plan right here. The plan is to not only just to sell my shares and live and having my portfolio to decrease, but to live off of my dividend income, and that's what I plan on doing. I have the base that I've already created. Now I'm contributing roughly $1,500 per month this year, especially because I got extra money, so I'm investing roughly $2,000 per month because I want this bad boy to hit 100,000, so the compound can really begin. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully you follow and come up with your own way of your own strategy of how you plan on retiring. Like and subscribe. Peace.